Hi friends, a fine good morning to everybody. I am Ramita. Before starting the class, I want to say two lines for you. Just listen it. Everything is easy. Everything is easy when you are busy. Nothing is easy. Nothing is easy when you are lazy. फ्रेंड्स, जो स्टूडेंट्स है, कोई बैंकिंग के लिए, कोई एसएससी, कोई यूपीएससी, कोई सी एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. फॉर सम स्टूडेंट्स मैथ्स इज नॉट इजी, फॉर सम स्टूडेंट्स इंग्लिश इज नॉट इजी. कोई बैंकिंग का स्टूडेंट्स है, उसका स्पीड नहीं है, किसी का एक्यूरेसी नहीं है. फॉर दैट रीजन दे आर अनएबल टू क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम. और वो स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा सोचते हैं कि भाई मैं तो बैंकिंग छोड़ रही हूँ, मैं तो सीए छोड़ रही हूँ, मेरा ये नहीं हो पा रहा है. फ्रेंड्स, ऐसा नहीं सोचना है. आपका जो सब्जेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है, जो सब्जेक्ट आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है, आपको उसके ऊपर बहुत टाइम देना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाई यू आर नॉट एबल टू क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम, और क्या आपका कमी रह गई है वो देखना है. उसके ऊपर आपको काम करना है. उस सब्जेक्ट में आपको बिजी रहना है, तभी वो सब्जेक्ट आपके लिए इजी हो पाएगा और यू आर एबल टू क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम. मेरा ही एक रियल लाइफ का एग्जाम देती हूँ. मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता था. शादी के बाद मैंने मतलब चाय बनाना भी कोई बोल देता था, मुझे बहुत मैं टेंशन हो जाती थी. और कभी जब भी खाना बनाती थी, कभी ज़्यादा सॉल्ट, कभी ज़्यादा चिल्ली पाउडर डाल देती थी. और रोटी तो भाई पूछो मत. मेरे हस्बैंड बोलते थे, माँ तुम रोटी मत बनाओ, ऐसे बोलते थे. और मैं बहुत टेंशन हो जाती थी. मैं सोचती थी भाई मेरे से तो ये काम नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं कभी खाना नहीं बना पाऊंगी, ऐसा सोच रही थी. ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि मम्मी आके तो अभी मेरे लिए खाना नहीं नहीं बनाएगी ना, मुझे ही खाना बनाना पड़ेगा. ऐसा डेली बनाते बनाते अभी तो मैं एक अच्छा कुक बन गई हूँ. और ऐसे ही आपको जो काम आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है वो काम आप डेली करोगे तो आपको वो इजी हो जाएगा. नॉट अबाउट स्टडीज ओनली, जो भी काम है आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है उसके ऊपर आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास. दिस इज द बायोलॉजीज थर्ड वीडियो. लास्ट क्लास हम सेल के बारे में एंड व्हाट इज प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल, व्हाट इज यूकैरियोटिक सेल एंड द सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स लाइक सेल वॉल, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, ये सब पढ़े थे. और आज रिमेनिंग ऑर्गेनेल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So yesterday we read about cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, cytoplasma. So today we will start from Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are present in both plant cell and animal cell. Okay. So Golgi body discovered by Camillo Golgi. Golgi bodies are made up of group of tubes, vessels and vacuoles. In plant, Golgi bodies are more in number and it is called dictyosomes in plant. What is the work of Golgi body? It will storage, processing and packaging of material, synthesis of cell wall, plasma and lysosomes. And it will also synthesize carbohydrates. Okay. Now, second one, endoplasmic reticulum. ER. Endoplasmic reticulum. This is already I said nucleus, and these are the thread-like structure. Tubes are called what? Endoplasmic reticulum. These are endoplasmic reticulum. Network of tubules. These are network of tubules found in cytoplasm. And what is the work of endoplasmic reticulum? Endoplasmic reticulum helps in distribution of material. Next, ribosomes. These are what? Ribosomes. Ribosomes are discovered by Palladie. Ribosome is made of ribonucleic acid RNA. And what is the work of ribosome? Protein synthesis. Please remember protein synthesis, and ribosome are made up of RNA, ribonucleic acid. Now we will read lysosome. What? Lysosome. These are what? Lysosome, discovered by D. Webb. Lysosomes are sac-like structure. It contains an enzyme called hydrolytic enzyme. Lysosome called what? Hydrolytic enzyme. It helps in intracellular digestion. And lysosome also called suicidal bag because the enzyme present in lysosome, the enzyme hydrolytic enzyme, is may able to digest the cell. So this is also called the suicidal bag. It is not found in red blood corpuscles of mammal, RBC of mammal. It is not found in RBC. It is not found. Now centrosome. This is what? Centrosome. Centrosome discovered by Boveri, only found in animals. Centrosome are only found in animals. Take part in cell division. Centrosomes are consist a pair of centrioles. These are what? Centrioles. It consists what? Two centrioles. Centrioles found in centrosome. What is the work of centrosome? Cell division. Take part in cell division. Okay. Now plastid. Only found in plant cell. Centrosome only found in animal cell. Plastid only found in plant cell. These are three types like chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. What is chloroplast? Chloroplast are the green pigment found in plant that helps in photosynthesis. You already know in school days and college life. Green pigment are what? Chloroplast. These are help in photosynthesis. That's why it is called kitchen of the cell. Chloroplast is called kitchen of the cell. What is chromoplast? Chromoplast provide color to the flower and fruits. These are different types of chromoplast. Tomato is red color. Tomato is red color due to the presence of lycopene. Yellow color of carrot, orange due to carotene. Sugar beet is due to betanin. Okay. In tomato, lycopene there. Yellow color of carrot due to carotene. Beetroot, betanin. Leucoplast is colorless. Chromoplast is different color, but leucoplast is what? Colorless. What is the work of leucoplast? It stores food like starch, fat and protein. It's found in root, underground stem. In root or underground stem, leucoplast is found. Okay. Now we'll read, see, chloroplast. Chloroplast contains two units. These are what? Grana and stroma. Grana are made up of thylakoids. Thylakoid present chlorophyll. Stroma consists of photosynthetic enzymes and it stores starch grain. Okay. Grana is the site of light reaction. Stroma is the site of dark reaction. This is light reaction. Stroma, what? Dark reaction. See, this is what? Chloroplast. This is what? Chloroplast. See, this you are seeing now. These are what? Grana. This is what? Grana. These are grana. And these are what? Thylakoids. So grana consists what? Thylakoids. In thylakoid what is present? Chlorophyll is present. And this matrix is what? Stroma. This matrix is what? Stroma. And this is what? Lamella. So granum consists thylakoids. Take of thylakoids. It consists 20 to 50 thylakoids. A granum consists 20 to 50 thylakoids. These ring-like structures. And granum is site of light reaction. This is stroma, dark reaction. Now we'll read vacuoles. What? Vacuoles. These are what? Vacuoles. Vacuoles are fluid-filled membrane. Dead organelles of cell. This is a dead organelle. In plant this is large in size. In animal, vacuole is small in size. What is the work of vacuoles? It stores toxic metabolic waste, okay, and helps in osmoregulation. Concentration. What is osmoregulation? The concentration of water, salt, or the osmotic pressure is regulated to keep body homeostasis. It is done by kidney. Okay. Now, from next class we will read about nucleus. Okay. So friends, please note down what I am showing here. Please note down and revise. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you for watching.